How to restore or recover deleted post on Instagram. So if you want to restore or recover deleted post on Instagram, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Instagram application at first. Now you need to go with your post, which is on the bottom right. From your post, you need to just select a post. Like for example, if I go with this one, go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then I'll go with delete. Now after deleting this post, now if you want to restore or recover the post, then you need to go with the profile again, which is on the bottom right. Go with the upper right, which has that three horizontal lines. Scroll down, you'll find your activity, tap on your activity, and here you will have recently deleted. So you need to tap on recently deleted and you will have all of the posts, stories, or anything that you've deleted recently. So you'll be able to restore them within a few days, like within 30 days, and if it's been more than 30 days, then they will be permanently deleted. So if you want to restore or recover, then you need to tap and hold on to that post that you would like to recover. Go with the upper right, which has that three dots, and then tap on restore again, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.